Hey guys, so today we're going to be making a chocolate strawberry cupcake, and this is a perfect recipe for Valentine's Day, but if you want to just make a regular, chocolate strawberry cupcake, this is a perfect recipe for really any time of the year. So I just, associate Valentine's Day with chocolate and strawberries, like chocolate covered strawberries and all things pink, and yeah, so I figured why not make a cupcake that's a chocolate covered strawberry kind of cupcake. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first I just made some chocolate cupcakes using a cake box mix, but you could of course use your favorite chocolate cupcake recipe and make it from scratch. And so now I'm just going to be showing you how to make the strawberry frosting. Also, one more quick note before we get started. I cut the recipe in half so I didn't have as much frosting, but I'm going to be reading off the ingredients for the full recipe. So if my measurements look smaller, that's because I cut it in half, but I'm still going to be reading off the regular measurements. Okay, so first you're going to need 1 cup of fresh strawberries. You're going to need 1 cup of butter, which is equivalent to 2 sticks. So you're going to need sifted powdered sugar split into 3 bowls. So in 2 bowls, I have 1 cup of sifted powdered sugar, and then in one of the bowls, I have half a cup. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So first I just put the strawberries in a blender and I blended it all up until it was smooth. Now you're going to transfer your strawberry puree to a saucepan over a medium heat and bring it to a boil, and you're going to stir it often until the puree is reduced by at least half, and this took me about 10 minutes, but sometimes it could take more, so just look for when the puree becomes half the amount. And when it is reduced to half the amount, you're going to take your saucepan off the stove and you're just going to let this cool completely. Now using an electric mixer, you're going to beat your butter until it's light and fluffy. Now pour in 1 cup of powdered sugar and you're going to blend that with the butter. Now pour in 2 tablespoons of the strawberry puree and the vanilla extract, and then you're just going to mix that together until it's blended. Now put in another cup of powdered sugar and blend that in, and then you're also going to put in 2 tablespoons of the strawberry puree, and you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of strawberry puree 2 more times and mix it up. And then just beat in your last half cup of powdered sugar and just mix that in. And this is what your frosting should look like once everything is mixed in. So here I just put my frosting into a piping bag and I'm using an open star tip. And now just pipe the frosting onto the cupcakes. And here are the beautiful finished cupcakes. So I just topped mine with some chocolate dipped strawberries, and I also got some gold pearl sprinkles and put those on the cupcakes as well. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe because I post every Tuesday, and comment down below any questions or suggestions for what I could bake in the future. And also my social media links are down below. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye!